Hi guys, this is a little recycling project. These are the reels from 3D printing. They hold the plastic for the printing machines. Now my local 3D print shop, Matter Things, they don't know what to do with them besides recycle them, I guess, but he was wanting to make something else out of them, something useful. So I'm trying to come up with some ideas. I bored this out and it makes a nice beer holder, a non-spill beer holder, or other kind of drink holder, cup holder. And I have these larger ones here, and this is the other half of this. And I'm going to make a torch base out of it so I can use my blowtorch and freehand, say, holding parts while not having to hold the torch itself. So got this aligned. There's a small gussets in here, so it makes lining this 3-inch hole saw fairly easy, which is nice. It's not perfectly centered, but it doesn't really have to be. If you ever come across a set of these clamps, they're really nice to have for light work. I think they're made in Germany, and really good things to have. Now, let's see how it fits. There you go. Quick and easy, and should be quite stable. So that's two things I've come up with. If you guys can drop me any more comments, or sorry, uses in the comment section, they're welcome. And until next time, guys, take care.